In this video, I will be showing you how to install Google AI Edge Gallery on macOS. So let's get started. First thing, just search for that. We'll be having the official link from Google for developers. Select it, and here we are having the download options for Android, iOS as well as Mac. Just click on the Mac one, and if we scroll down, we'll be having some explanation of the features that these offers, so you can just go through it. It is around 40 MB in size, so just open it. So drop it inside applications. Now go to apps, just search for Google AI Edge Gallery. We'll be getting this. Just click on accept and continue. So here we are having so many stuffs like agent skills, AI chat, audio scribe, ask image, and before that we need to get a model. Okay, so here we are having the model option, and these are the models that we are having at the moment. We are having Gemma 4 and Gemma 3N. So I'll just go with the Gemma 4 2B and click on download. Once it is installed, we will be able to type a prompt, and apart from that we can configure so much of stuff over here: the max tokens, the temperature, choose the accelerator if you want to enable thinking or not, and we can even give here system prompt. So that is fine. I'll just go here and say hi, and yep, so quick to give the response. And if you go to model manager, we'll be having the all the models that we saw in the drop down along with its size. So this is the current model that I have downloaded, and apart from that we are having the agent skills, so you can just try using it over here. In case if you're having some complex stuff, you can just ask it. And we are having the audio scribe, so to click plus to add your audio, so we can simply click this, and either we can record our voice or select a audio file, so it will convert it into a text form. And next we are having the ask image, so we can input an image and ask questions also. A really nice tool to install Google models, and if you want you can just try it out. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel and a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.